Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Best camera phone 1199. Lots of camera upgrades in a sleek design. This Galaxy S22 Ultra review proves that Samsung knows what power users want. This new beast adds the Galaxy Note's best feature while also offering a ton of other upgrades. Yup, there's an S Pen built in, but there's a lot more going on with this flagship as Samsung tries to top our best phone list. For starters, the S Pen is more responsive, as Samsung made it 7.0 stir with less latency. The display is also brighter and more colorful than anything we've tested, and you get faster 45W charging. The Galaxy S22 Ultra's biggest upgrades come with its cameras, as Samsung is shooting to overtake the iPhone 13 Pro Max and Google Pixel 6 Pro as the best camera phone with the help of a raft of upgrades. These include a bigger main sensor for better low-light photos, an AI-boosted portrait mode, and a new super clear lens. On the other hand, Samsung is asking a lot of money, $1,199, for a phone that now comes with less RAM than before, and the S22 Ultra costs $100 to $300 more than its top competitors. That's one of the factors that makes the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra versus ONEPLUS 10 Pro decision a tough one. Samsung Galaxy S22 review, release date and price. Starting at $1,199 for the Galaxy S22 Ultra in its 8GB per 128GB configuration. It costs $1,299 to go up to 256GB, $1,399 for 512GB, and $1,599 for 1TB. Available to buy now, the Galaxy S22 Ultra comes in black, white, green, but also has a burgundy option. Online you can get the larger phone in graphite, sky blue and red. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra review, display. Samsung just upped the ante for display quality with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. As before, you get a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, which made for smooth scrolling during our hands-on time. And there's a 240Hz touch sampling rate that gamers should appreciate. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra review, S Pen. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has the smoothest S Pen I've ever experienced, and that's because Samsung has dialed down the latency from 9 milliseconds to just 2.8 milliseconds, so you're getting a 70% improvement here. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra review, cameras. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra looks determined to top our best camera phone list and unseat Apple and Google. Our testing shows that the S22 Ultra is a very good camera phone, but it's quite the champ. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra review, video. The Galaxy S22 Ultra takes crisp-looking video up to 8K at 24 frames per second and can keep your footage looking super stable with its improved Super Steady mode. And there's plenty of extra features you can play with, such as portrait video mode. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra review, performance. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is one of the first phones powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, a 4nm chip that promises better CPU and graphics performance while delivering better efficiency. Samsung will offer its own 4nm Exynos 2200 chip in international markets. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra review, battery and charging. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is powered by a large 5000 mAh battery, which Samsung says will last over a day in typical usage. We've run the Tom's Guide battery test a few times, which involves continuous web surfing over 5G at 150 nits of screen brightness. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra review, software. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is powered by Samsung's One UI 4.1 software, which runs on top of Android 12. Samsung says this interface is more intuitive and useful than previous versions, and there's a new privacy dashboard for peace of mind. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra specs. Starting price, $1,199. Android version, 12, One UI 4.1. Display, 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED, 3088 by 1440. Refresh rate, 1 to 120 Hz. CPU, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, US, Exynos 2200, UK. RAM, 8 GB, 12 GB. Storage/expandable, 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB/no. Rear cameras, 108MP, f/2.2, main, 12MP, f/2.2, ultrawide, 10MP, f/2.4, 10x telephoto, 10MP, f/2.4, 3x telephoto. Front camera, 40MP, f/2.2. Battery, 5000 mAh. Battery life, HRS Mins 850, adaptive, 1018, 60 Hz. Size, 6.43 by 3.07 by 0.35 inches. Weight, 8 ounces. Colors, Phantom Black, Phantom White, Burgundy, Green.